Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And in today's video, you will see me doing some decorating, some cleaning, some organizing, some decluttering. So make sure you guys stick around and stay tuned for that. So first I'm going to start off by cleaning out this utility closet in my master bathroom. It has gotten so out of hand. I've clearly neglected this space and now it's time to get it fixed. Please do not judge me. Life happens, things happen, and this was the last thing that was on my mind, worrying about this closet. But now I am cleaning it, and that's all that matters. Okay, so make sure you guys stick around and stay tuned because this is some good cleaning motivation in this video. And also make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you click that notification bell so that you won't miss any more uploads from me. Okay.
Here we go, I put this miserable song on repeat, 'cause you seem to forget how much you are hurting me. Do what's right, you say you will, but then you don't. You just don't. You don't care, 'cause you don't take me seriously. What's there to repair if you don't wanna talk to me? You should know your time is up. I'm out, I'm done. So I'm putting you on a lifetime sentence, and you'll no longer feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip, thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence, so now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip, thought you knew me so much better. So you thought I would let this slip, thought you knew me so much better. Yeah, yeah. So you thought I would let this slip. No, that's right. Your words don't mean a thing to me. Sleepless night, your love has left us incomplete. Thinking that your promises will fit so loud. No, that's right. So I'm putting you on a lifetime sentence, and you'll no longer feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip, thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence, so now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip, Thought you knew me so much better. Yeah, 'cause I don't. So you thought I would let this live.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to tackle this kitchen. The kitchen wasn't too bad off. I would just be, taking out the dishes out of the dishwasher and then wiping off the countertops. And then after that, I will clean the dining room and the living room, straighten that up. And then I'll be doing some vacuuming. And then I will also be using my steam mop that I purchased. And the steam mop works so good, you guys. So stick around for that. So let's get on to this scripture that I want to read to you guys today, and it comes from Psalms 34:17 through 21, and it says, "Pray to the Lord, and he will hear you. He will save you from all your troubles. The Lord is close to those who have suffered disappointment. He saves those who are discouraged. Good people might have many problems, but the Lord will take them away. He will protect them completely. Not one of their bones will be broken." Yes, so I'm here to tell you guys that if you're feeling lonely, if you're feeling afraid, if you're going through a hard time, just know that God is with you. And I also want you guys to know that Jesus suffered too. When Jesus was on earth, he also suffered. He was also lonely. He felt all the things that we felt. So whatever you're feeling, don't think that Jesus does not hear you. He does not care about you. He does, and he knows what you're feeling. He knows what you're going through. Just think about it. Jesus was sinless, right? But he lived in a world with people full of sin. So can you imagine how lonely he felt? How he probably felt like he didn't have anyone that he could probably really talk to and relate to. Just like sometimes we may feel like we don't have anyone that we can talk to or relate to. Jesus felt the same way. He was a sinless man living in a sinful world. So I want you guys to think about that and marinate on that. And make sure you guys go and read this scripture. Read Psalms 34:17 through 21. Read that scripture and talk to God. If you're going through something, talk to him. Lay it out on the table. It doesn't have to be pretty. You don't have to talk to him a certain way. You don't even have to pray to him a certain way. As long as it comes from the heart. Talk to him. Lay your problems out to him. And I promise you, he will come through for you. And whatever you want to ask him, if you ask him and you have your heart open to receive and listen and hear him, he will speak to you. He will give you signs. He will let you know. He will give you the answer to what you need. If you just have an open ear and just trust and believe that he's going to give you that sign. You got to be open to it. You got to be expecting it. And you will hear it. I promise you. So I hope this encouraged you guys. And I hope this made you feel better if you're going through something. And remember, you are not alone. You are not alone. Okay?
I can still remember the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder
guys, so as you can see, I'm using my steam mop. I think it's called the Shark steam mop, and I purchased this from Target, and I want to say it was on sale for like 40 or 50 bucks, somewhere around that range. So if you guys are interested in this mop, I will link it down in the description box below from Target. I also think that Walmart may have this too, and even Amazon, you can look and see. But yeah guys, this steam mop works so great. I highly recommend it. I had like little gunk on the floor from things that my kids probably dropped that got stuck that I could not get with a regular mop. I would literally have to get on my knees and scrub it with something, but with the steam mop it gets it right up. So it works so good. And if you have vinyl or plank flooring, I don't recommend that you use this every day because I heard that it's not good. Like it'll cause the vinyl to pop up or something. I don't know. Mine didn't pop up, but I don't recommend that you use it every day. Just use it like every now and then for like a little good little deep cleaning on your floors. Yep. So if you guys are interested in this mop, again, I will link it down in the description box below. And I thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some cleaning motivation and some spiritual motivation too. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye.